TG Rig FD 1979 Elizabeth II. So this is the Queen of Elizabeth II, the DG Rig FD 1979 Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. This is the Queen of Elizabeth II. Two new pins. Two new pins. This is two new pins of Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. DG Rig FD 1979 Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. Two new pins. Two new pins. Two new pins. Two new pins of Elizabeth II. 1979. Look at the year minted. Very clear. 1979. 1979. PG Rig FD 1979. Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. 1979 Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. 1979. 1979 DG Rig FD 1979 Elizabeth II. Elizabeth II. DG Rig FD 1979. Two new pens. Two new pens. Two new pens. Expensive, rare old queens by Elizabeth II. Bronze queen by Elizabeth II. Two new pens. Elizabeth II. 1979. 1979 DJ Rig FD 1979 Elizabeth II.